Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install OBS Studio on a Windows 10 computer, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official OBS website, obsproject.com. Once you're on the home page, click on the Windows icon to start downloading OBS Studio. After the download is complete, open the installer file. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. Now, the OBS Setup Wizard will open. Click Next, agree to the license terms, and choose your installation location. You can leave it as default if you're unsure. Then click Install. The installation will begin and should only take a minute or two. Once it's finished, make sure the box that says Launch OBS Studio is checked, then click Finish. OBS will now open for the first time. You may be prompted to run the Auto Configuration Wizard. If you're new to OBS, go ahead and run it. It will automatically optimize your settings for recording and streaming. And that's it. OBS Studio is now installed and ready to use on your Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful guides.